Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to free up space on your PC and make your computer more faster. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do on your keyboard is to press Windows plus R, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to this particular point right there. Click on here and make sure you click on select prefetch, or you better still you can type in prefetch into this particular box right here. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply click on OK, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply hit on continue right here, and it's going to load all unnecessary file right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply press Ctrl A on your keyboard. This allows you to select all the file right here. Then you can scroll down and see all the unnecessary chunk file. So the next thing you want to do, after select all the file, press Shift key and Delete key on your keyboard. This is going to pump up. Simply hit on yes, and with that, all the unnecessary file is going to be deleted. And then simply click on try again, and every file will be deleted. So it's as simple as that. And with this, your PC become more faster, and then your PC will have enough space without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.